I had to simplify what your job is as students, is simply to be open. Be open to what's coming, be receptive to it, welcome it with both hands, eyes, feet, all of you, and accept that this is about to be something new, something different, and most of all, something transformative. On this campus, with this community, you'll see the lives that you're impacting. You'll see the relationships that you're building. You'll see the experiences that will change you, convert you, make you discover and understand who you are as a person. It's a journey of discovery that is truly never ending, but it has a lot of aha moments.